So we did arrive late to La Fortuna and it was dark, so there wasn't much point showing around the apartment. But now finally, where we've tidied it a bit and there's a bit of daylight, I can show you around the apartment. It's really clean, modern, and it's been a nice place to stay. We can even cook our own meals and save a bit of money there and put more money towards the adventures. So you have just the kitchen, a fridge, microwave, and then this is the best part, a bed with an insanely huge window. And what would be a nice view to the volcano. This is the Arenal volcano. We are pretty close to it, but because of the weather it's been covered by clouds. And then finally, the bathroom, spacious. And often you can actually hear some of the tropical birds, just like some of the most unique noises that you hear. And up there, you can sometimes hear their little feet clattering and walking on the roof. It's a really nice place. And what's really cool is the free attractions. And a lot of people have said this is better than actual paid attractions. And this is the El Salto rope swing. So essentially it's just a rope. You jump onto the rope and swing into the water.
Come this way?
We're going to explore the waterfalls of Costa Rica, specifically the Fortuna Waterfall, which is the most popular in Costa Rica, and it's very nearby in the town of La Fortuna.
Yeah, we just booked tickets on Viator and took an Uber to here from our hotel. So yeah, so far it's very lush, it's very nice. The people at the desk are friendly. I have a good feeling about this one.
What's also nice is there's Wi-Fi, so well, we could Uber from our place to here and there's no problem Ubering back. What's interesting is that the rides are like 3 minutes, but the walks are like 1 hour.
Yeah.
So Costa Rica is well known for its zip lines, and the difference is you go through trees and bushes. You have more of a immersion in the jungle. So it's a little bit different to Peru, which was just in between rocks and mountains.
It's very exciting, but first we have 15 people in front of us, so we're just waiting.
So one cool thing on the last zip line is that we saw
a sloth. I took some good pictures and videos in. I think you did too, so we'll insert it, but that was so nice. And zip lining was really fun. Now we're going to do the rappelling.
You're next.
Yeah.